Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to look at order reporting and how you can gain powerful insights into your business with reporting in your Flipdish portal. Our reporting functionality allows you to drill down into your order data and gain actionable insights with ease. In this video, we'll talk about what this feature is capable of. To access the order reporting, log into the Flipdish portal. Then on the left-hand side of the page, click Reports and then click Orders. Order reporting allows you to search and filter all of your order data based on parameters that you can define. Let's have a look at some of the filters you can use. So you can filter by date period. You can see your order data from a wide selection of different date ranges, from a single day, week, month, quarter, year, or even custom date ranges. You can even compare the date period selected to the previous period or the same period last year in order to spot trends. You can also filter by stores. You can choose which store you want to see the order data from, select all the stores for a given currency, filter by a collection of stores, or select individual stores and the reports will show you only the data relating to those stores you have selected in the filter. You can also filter by delivery or collection. You can choose to display data for collection orders, delivery orders, or both. You can also filter by platform. You can filter your order data based on the platform your customer used to make the order. You can choose from a combination of the following: iOS, Android, web, kiosk. You also have the option to view all. And you can track your vouchers. This will give you the ability to track orders made when any of your vouchers were redeemed. Just start by typing the name of the voucher into the field and you will be shown all the vouchers in your account matching that query. Now I'm going to take you through the Orders Overview section. The Overview section provides the most important high-level metrics for your chosen query. Here you can find the following: order amount, number of accepted orders, average order value, number of rejected orders, rejected order amount, and number of refunded orders. You will also see a line graph visualizing all the data for your chosen query. If you have selected to compare against a previous period, the solid line will represent your chosen period and the dotted line represents the previous period. Use your mouse to hover over the graph in order to see a breakdown of your query for the chosen time period, as well as the percentage change between the two. Now let's look at platform, type, and payment. This section lets you see a breakdown of what platforms were used to make the orders for your query. Each bar chart will represent a different platform. Solid bars represent your chosen period, whereas the dotted bars represent the period being compared against. The delivery versus collection chart shows what portion of your orders for any given period were made for delivery or collection. Again, the solid bar represents your chosen query and the dotted represents the comparison period. And you can also see a cash versus paid online chart, which lets you see which orders were paid online versus which were paid with cash. The solid bar represents your chosen query and the dotted represents the comparison period. Below this, you can also see a breakdown of orders by store. This table shows you a breakdown of the orders for your query based on the store to which the orders were made. Here you can see the gross order amount for the store, the number of orders accepted, the average order size, the number of rejected orders, and the rejected order amount. As you can see here, you're also able to download a CSV file with the data in each one of these tables. Click download and you will then be sent an email with the file. Some of these tables are also customizable. As you can see by clicking on columns, you can add in extra data points that you wish to see. We also have a table which shows you rejections by store. This will give you a breakdown of which stores rejected the most orders, as well as the total revenue lost and the most common reasons for rejection. I hope you found this video useful. For more information on order reporting, click the link in the description of this video or contact help@flipdish.com. And thank you for watching.